Most of us dream of having a profitable business that serves customers all over the world, rather than getting a full-time job that restricts you in all directions. If you are one of such people, and you decided to change your life for the better once and for all, try a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model that is available to everyone regardless of location, education, and so on. In a nutshell, it gives the entrepreneurs the following benefits. No investments, hence no risks. No need of background knowledge. No boss, no bureaucracy. No extra staff and stuff. No limits of expanding your business. And this is not the entire story. If you would like to learn more about the concept of dropshipping, keep watching. Let's see how dropshipping business model works in simple 6 steps. Step 1. Find an online supplier who has the products you want to sell. Step 2. Show the supplier's products with marked up prices on your website and advertise them. Step 3. Receive direct payment from the customers who buy from your website. Step 4. Redirect the orders to your suppliers and pay them their original price, keep the profits to yourself. Step 5. Do nothing, the supplier will ship the order directly to your clients. Step 6. Repeat. Find more products and suppliers if you like, and enjoy greater earnings. As an America resident, you have all that it takes to start this business smoothly and quickly. Easy internet access and growing smartphone usage let you stay in touch with your suppliers and customers 24/7 and guarantee a brilliant business performance. Globally trusted payment gateways, such as PayPal, 2Checkout, Stripe and others are available in America, which is why you can safely receive and manage your well-earned profits. Multicultural environment lets you learn more about the life and issues of various ethnic groups, and tailor your offers to various customer segments. So, there is nothing that would stop you from launching a money-making business that breaks geographic boundaries and lets you run your venture on a global scale. How would you like the idea of selling products to customers widely spread across the world, and meanwhile, staying at home or other place of comfort? More than a half of U.S. population prefers to shop online. 96% of Americans have made an online purchase at least once in their lives. High standard of living, high wage income, more than $500 billion e-commerce sales per year. High purchasing power, high average order value, almost $100. Large population, high number of purchases. Fast and cheap shipping from Asia. If you're residing in America, it doesn't mean that you must target your business on this country only. Yes, America is more than just your homeland, it's one of the world's strongest economies. However, why limit yourself with one country? No matter how big and prosperous it is, if you can have the whole world on your plate. Dropshipping business model lets you deal with buyers across the world. Whether it be a student from the Netherlands, or a teacher from Australia, or a citizen of any other country. America's infrastructure is perfectly optimized for e-commerce. So, you can enjoy both easy business management and a healthy profit level. Also, don't forget about taxes. If you dropship to the USA, you will have to pay state or city taxes for the goods you sell to the citizens. Launch your online store with AliDropship and become a 100% owner of a profitable business. AliDropship is the world's #1 dropshipping business platform that provides you the WordPress plugin and customized store creation service at very affordable price. Create your own dropshipping store with the most powerful plugin for WordPress. Or let the AliDropship team create a store for you. AliDropship's unique solutions are creating a wave of buzz with dropshippers just like you. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned expert with a multi-million-dollar turnover, AliDropship has the exact solution you're looking for. When you invest in AliDropship plugin, you can easily build your own professional AliExpress dropshipping store. The plugin offers all the features you'll need to build your own highly profitable business. The best thing about AliDropship is, unlike other dropshipping platform, AliDropship lets you enjoy the 100% ownership. Whether you build it yourself or have AliDropship build it for you, you will have full ownership of your dropshipping empire. You keep all the profits and have complete control over your store. And AliDropship doesn't limit you on the number of products you can have or the monthly sales you can get. Even if you have tens of thousands of products and millions of orders, you pay no extra fees. And AliDropship has a wide range of high-quality services to help you succeed through every phase of growth. AliDropship offers free personal support for every solution you order, so you'll always have them as your secret weapon. Are you ready to start your dropshipping business today? The link is in the description below. Go to the description, click the link and start your dropshipping journey today.